Have you ever wanted to bring rich GIS data into your Tableau dashboards? ArcGIS Living Atlas of the world allows data analysts to add location-based maps like environmental or demographic data into interactive visuals with just a few clicks. For example, you can add GIS drought data directly from ArcGIS Living Atlas into Tableau. You can also import satellite thermal hotspots and fire activity layers or visualize biodiversity using the iNaturalist diversity with Shannon Index. The links to these dashboards are included in the video description. Let's walk through how to connect ArcGIS Living Atlas data to Tableau and build a powerful location-based dashboard. Start by visiting the ArcGIS Living Atlas website at livingatlas.arcgis.com. This valuable resource hosts hundreds of GIS layers, from population and housing to climate, health, and transportation, all curated by trusted sources like the US Census Bureau, NOAA, and Esri's own data team. Suppose you want to explore drought patterns in the United States. In the search bar at the top, type drought, and you'll see several datasets appear, such as USA Drought Intensity, Current Conditions, Drought Severity Index, and Historic Drought Frequency. For this tutorial, click on USA Drought Intensity 2000 Present. On the datasets page, take a moment to review important details. Check who published the dataset under owner, verify when it was last updated, and read the description to understand what the data shows, like drought classifications ranging from D0, abnormally dry, to D4, exceptional drought. You can also explore metadata to learn how the data was created. Most importantly, on the right side of the page, you'll see a section labeled URL. Click the copy icon next to this link. This is the key you'll use to bring the data into Tableau. Next, open Tableau Desktop or Tableau Online. Click Add Data or Connect to Data, then select Esri as the data source. If you don't see the Esri data connector, you'll need to install it. Details can be found on the Tableau Help webpage under the Connect to and Prepare Data section. In Tableau, you can connect to an Esri ArcGIS server or ArcGIS Online. The connector uses the Esri Services Directory REST API to discover map server and feature server services. From those, you can choose specific layers, which are downloaded and stored in an extract. Note that the Esri connector requires a driver to be installed. If it's missing, you'll need to install the driver and restart your device. Under Server Data Connection, select Esri Data Connector. Then, in the Connection Type dropdown, select Public ArcGIS Server. Paste the URL you copied from Living Atlas into the server URL field, then click Sign In. Tableau will connect to the ArcGIS server and display available tables from that layer. Once the data loads, you'll see a list of tables. For this example, let's select US Drought by state. Drag this table onto the data canvas, and Tableau will load its fields, ready for visualization. From here, you can use Tableau's familiar drag-and-drop interface to explore the data. Try visualizing drought severity by state, trends over time, or maps highlighting current drought conditions. You can color code states by drought level, add filters for time periods, and build interactive dashboards suitable for public sharing. If you'd like to see an example, check out the sample dashboard shared on Tableau Public. The link is included in the video description. By connecting ArcGIS Living Atlas data to Tableau, you unlock powerful tools for spatial storytelling. Whether you're an analyst, educator, or data enthusiast, this workflow helps you visualize, explore, and share geospatial insights in new and meaningful ways. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping.